So I'm making quick and easy burritos. It's probably one of the easiest ways to make a good burrito. You gotta excuse me, I've been a little sick. Again, I think this weather is getting to me, folks. But I slept all day yesterday. I took today off and I woke up and I'm actually really hungry. So I'm making Cooking Easy Burritos. Do your hamburger, season it the way you want. You don't really have to put a lot of seasonings in it. I put salt, pepper, garlic. That's the best thing, salt, pepper, garlic. I add a can of Rotel and some sliced potatoes. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. I'll be right back. Don't forget to add your tortillas, of course, some sour cream, and some salsa. And don't forget the cheese. We're getting there. So of course, drain your hamburger. Add your potatoes in. I drain the potatoes off. And I usually chop them up just a little bit in here. It makes a really hearty, yummy burrito. And it's good when you're living by yourself and you need to just like make something that's tasty, easy. Mix those in. You can use fresh potatoes. You can use canned potatoes. I like the canned potatoes, easy. They have a shelf life, I think 5 years. So it's not bad. You could use freeze-dried potatoes too. Easy, easy. And go ahead and add your can of Rotel dip in. Rotel's yummy because it has the diced tomatoes, and this one has habaneros. Ooh, this is going to be a hot one. Go ahead and add your cheese in. Cover it and simmer for about 10 minutes. We'll lower that down right there. And then let's simmer it. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good. It's getting there, folks. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. All right, let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, yummy, yummy. It looks delicious and cheesy, the way it should be. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna plate it. You know, I'm picky about how it looks. Hold on, here we go. All right, it looks yummy, yummy. It's time to eat, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this short video on how to make a quick and easy burrito. Doesn't that look good? Yummy. Time to eat. See y'all later.